2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
We are out of power here in Capaucan, Leyte, Philippines. So they have provided for us to come and charge our phones or whatever you need charge. You can come here, and they have provided the charging devices where you can charge. We've been without power within the 2-3 days. No power in Capaucan. No power. We have water, we have food, we have no AC. So they're just waiting to open the generator. Isn't that something? Look at this. So people have been here almost all day. A lot of them already charged up and left. And there's more people that are finding out that you can come here and get your phone charged or battery operated charge. So right now is the time to do it, rather than staying home and waiting for the power to come back on, which that you will never know. Once we get power in our homes, we'll be able to turn on our AC, our fans, electric fans, but we did not get hit with that typhoon. We did not get hit with that typhoon here in Capaucan, Leyte. So praise the Lord, glory be to God be the glory. But I've never seen anything like this.